We think that life is supposed to be easy. Let me do anything I can to like make myself comfortable or make myself easy. I don't think that's how it's supposed to be anymore. I just constantly had this, let me just reach for comfort. I want to be as uncomfortable as possible. Such a freedom in that. Okay, well, bring it on. What's next? I think experience and age and the people that are around you. And I have so many people that are doing big things and taking big risks. And it's like, that's when life is fun.
You know, it's interesting that you say that because you just made me think about something. I'm always trying to find an easier way to do something, a less uncomfortable way. It doesn't always work that way. Isn't Oprah the one that said, if I could pay someone else to lose weight for me or to get healthy, I would have done, I've already been healthy. She's on a great journey, but look how many years. Somebody as wonderful as Oprah, we all have something that we're not really great at. And I think we're always going to be that way.